welcome to this quick room tour vlog.
We stayed in a King Resort strip view room, which had a really good view.
We thought the room was very nice and exceeded our expectations.
It was very clean.
We really enjoyed the pool area.
The only real con about Mandalay Bay is you're staying at the farthest point south on the strip, which is a ways from the main action. But there is a free monorail that will take you up to the Luxor and the Excalibur. And if you need to go farther up, you can go over to Park MGM and catch it up to Aria and the Bellagio. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this vlog, let's do all those YouTube things.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, leave a comment and let us know if you've stayed at Mandalay Bay before.
Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.